Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. A bit late here in Mexico tonight, but I did just see this headline courtesy of Chris Powell over at GATA, who, good Lord, I think that man deserves some sort of, if they have a Medal of Honor, Jesus Christ, I think that guy's deserved it. There he is sending out that something I don't necessarily know that I'm happy about, but I feel is worthy of being reported. Ex-Deutsche Bank trader Vorley sentenced to a year in prison for spoofing. A former Deutsche Bank trader today was ordered to serve 1 year and a day in prison for manipulating gold and silver with bogus spoof trade orders between 2008 and 2013. And as you see down here a little bit, the prosecution of Vorley and Chenu was part of a U.S. crackdown in illegal spoofing cases since the global market flash crash in 2010. January, Deutsche Bank paid $130 million, and as you already know, JP Morgan has agreed to pay a record $920 million fine. Still unclear. I can't get in touch with the CFTC. I don't know if they've actually paid it. We'll leave that aside for today. One note, and then I'll flip over to the Bloomberg article and continue the rest. This is going to be a short video here, but I don't know. I mean, when I said I'm not like happy, I don't think it's happy news. I don't know. I wish this stuff weren't happening at all. I want it to stop. I don't feel better if someone's in jail or is struggling or in pain. And I understand everybody has the right to feel the way they do. So perhaps we'll leave that at that. But as we continue down here, there were a few other interesting notes in this article. Chanu and Vorley were convicted after a week-long jury trial, which included witnesses describing the bait-and-switch scheme to influence prices and transcripts of messages sent by traders showing they knew what they were doing was wrong. In one instance, Vorley wrote, "This spoofing is annoying me. It's illegal for a start." Now, again, spoofing occurs when trader enters into all this and that. According to Bart Chilton, when you hammer the bids with a ton of paper, drive the price lower in the same banks repeatedly, buy it back cheaper after selling the heck out of it here. Also knocking people out of their stop orders. So that's why you get all the algos kicking in. And then, of course, if you have the ability to let it ride back up like that, I would imagine that would be a spoof. And hopefully the fact that this is coming out today, I mean, I've heard for the last decade that no one since the housing bubble has gone to jail. I'm not sure if this is actually the first person in the financial industry in the last 12 years that's gone to jail. For what it's worth, I want to be careful how I phrase this. I don't know what's going to happen with Basel III. Although, especially with some of the political and some of the health things that are going around right now and just the way I see things unfolding, I sure we'll be keeping an eye on this. We'll just say that. And anyway, so there you go. And of course, JP Morgan warns of possible return of year-end funding stress. Go figure. They're never far away, but Deutsche Bank trader has been sentenced to 1 year in prison for spoofing. Again, I don't really care if people are going to jail. I care that it stops. Hopefully this is some indication that that is happening so that people are just trying to live a normal life, contribute to the world, and save their money in an honest fashion can be able to do so. So with that said, thanks again to Chris Powell for sending this out. I'm darn proud of you, Chris, for whatever that counts, and honored to know you. And I think a lot of other people really appreciate what you do. And hopefully we're very close to the end. You know, it'll go when it goes. But anyway, that is the news tonight. Hope you're all doing well out there. See you again tomorrow.